Hey friends, have you got a pair of jeans that is too long? Watch how I fix mine in minutes. Fold like this to determine the excess. I was going to take off 1.5 before, but I changed my mind. I'll be taking off 1 inch. So as you can see, I have marked that on both sides. I will connect with my ruler, then trim off. The next thing I will do is to flip the trouser to the right side, then stitch. I'm going to place the excess on it like this, pin on two sides, then I'll head over to my sewing machine to stitch. Since I'm taking off 1 inch, I'm going to stitch the excess and the main trouser with 0.5. That way I would have taken off my preferred 1 inch excess. Don't forget to stitch as close as possible to the band of the trouser. And if you do not have a sewing machine, don't lose hope. You can use needle and thread. Just get your needle and thread like this and knot the end. This should be about the easiest way to knot a thread. Then with a little bit of patience, you are going to stitch your trouser all around. Just ensure, like I said earlier, that you stitch as close as possible to the band at the ankle, and then ensure your threads are conjoined, like where one thread ends, insert your needle right there and ensure a continuation. So if I were to take away 1.5 inch from my trouser, what I would have done is to mark 1.5, trim it off, then from that excess fabric, I will trim off 0.5. Thereafter, I will now attach the excess to the main trouser. Do you understand? The next thing I will do is to overlock the edge. I have overlocked, as you can see, and the final step is to top stitch. I've top stitched. Can you see? Your trouser is ready. This is what I have now. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way in my next tutorial. Bye guys.